if a comet were to collide with the moon, it would trigger various events depending on the size of the comet and the impact. Here are some potential consequences. 1. Creation of a crater. The comet's impact would create a crater on the surface of the moon. The size of the crater would depend on the mass, speed, and density of the comet. 2. Ejection of materials. The impact would cause the ejection of lunar materials into space. Some of these debris could form a cloud of particles around the moon. 3. Changes in orbit. If the impact is massive enough, it could potentially disrupt the moon's orbit. However, the moon is much more massive than most comets, so a relatively small impact would probably have a limited effect on its orbit. 4. Release of energy. The impact would generate energy in the form of heat, light, and shock waves. This could be detected from Earth using observational instruments. 5. Influence on lunar surface. The impact could also alter the chemical composition of the lunar surface at the impact site. However, it is essential to note that such scenarios are relatively rare because most comets remain in the outer regions of the solar system. Additionally, astronomers actively observe and monitor potentially hazardous space objects to minimize the risks of impacts with celestial bodies, including the moon.